Hello guys, let's sort today's LEETCODE POTD. Sort array by increasing frequency. Given an array of integers, sort the array in increasing order based on the frequency of the values. If multiple values have the same frequency, sort them in decreasing order. Return the sort array. So let's do it, guys. Let's understand the question. What they're telling is first we have to sort the elements in increasing order. So -1 has frequency once, right? And 1 has frequency 3, and 4 has frequency 2, 5 has frequency 1. So these are the frequencies. And yeah, you have -6 also. So -6 frequency is 2, right? So if we sort these values, we'll get 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, right? So in this order we have to print. So 1 means -1, right? So again 1, -6. See, but if we have same frequency values, right? Or the given is if we have multiple values, means see, if 2 and 1 and 1 and 2 and 2, means they have same frequency, right? uh, means same means these two elements have same frequency values, right? So for that we should decrease them, means in the decreasing order how to print. So uh, here 5 minus 1, so in -1 5, which is greater 5, right? So decreasing order here. Now 2, now in the frequency of two elements are there again, 4 and -6, decreasing order. So 4 comma -6, I hope it's correct. Yeah, 4 is 2 times and -6 2 times, so 4 4 -6 -6, and like that, so on. So now what we have to do is find this sequence. So let's solve it, guys. Let's do it. Let's complete it. For this one, what we'll do is, yeah, what we'll do is I'll take an array. So yeah, so what we'll do is first I will take map, normal map. You know what's the map, right? Map is simply a steel collection. If you don't know, you should learn about nothing. Suppose -1 is there, means every element frequency I'll store. Means -1 frequency is 1, right? So like that, in the map, the first integer contains the element in this one, and second means it dot first is this element, and the second is the frequency, right? So like that, in map everything I'll store. Okay, MPP map. Okay, after this map, what I'll do is I'll take a frequency array. See, what they told is, here are the constraints. Uh, nums dot length is maximum 100. So this maximum length is 100, right? So if this maximum length is 100, if everything in the nums array is x, means everything is same element. So maximum 100. So this is the 100 length. If everything contains x, everything is x here. So if everything is x, what we can do is, I'll create a frequency array. Means if everything is x, the maximum frequency can be 100, right? Other than 100, anything cannot go. If there is a element -1 here, its maximum frequency is 100 and the minimum frequency is 1. If it is there, it's 1, right? So I'll create a frequency table of 100 and not 101, because from 0 we are starting, right? So yeah, 101, and I'll write here vector int. Okay. So what does this vector, let clarity clearly, vector int, vector and int, and frequency from 0 to frequency of 101. Okay. So what does this do is, vector of int means it stores frequencies, right? So if I write frequency of 0, it is a vector. Like that, till 101, there are nearly 101 vectors, right? So in these frequencies, what I'll store is the elements with means frequency 0 not valid. So frequency of 1. There is, I mean, so many elements are there with frequency 0. So remove frequency of 0. With frequency of 1, how many elements are there? I will store those values. See, if -1 is there, -1 is there one time, right? So I'll store -1. In this vector, frequency 1 is a vector. In that vector, I'll store -1. And 1, there are 3 times, right? Yeah. So in frequency of 3, this is a vector. I will store 1, comma, and -6 is present 2 times. Okay, so I leave it. And frequency of 2 means this is a vector. Frequency 2 is a vector. In this vector, there contains elements which has frequency 2. Okay, so minus 6 has 2 frequency. I will store minus 6, and 4 has 2 frequency, so is 4. So that's it. Frequency of 3 means it stores 1, and frequency 2 means it stores minus 6 comma 4. So that's the thing. Now this frequency of 3 contains 1, right? Now I'll sort this one, reverse sort this one. What they said is reverse it. I mean, if they have same frequency, multiple values, they have to reverse sort, right? So I'll reverse sort. Now 4 comes front and minus 6 from back. I'll iterate through the frequency, yeah, and from 4 I'll print 4 times, or sorry, 2 times, and minus 6 2 times. So like that I'll iterate to the frequency array, and I'll do it from sorting, so from 0 to 101. So that's my logic, guys. Yeah, and I got it accepted, so let's solve it. So let's go it out, guys. It stores frequency, guys. So for auto IT iterate I'm using. Okay, now after this what I will do is I'll create a vector answer. It stores the answer, means answers first. Okay, next I'll create a frequency table. I told you, right? Frequency table, frequency of vectors. It's just like, it is just like adjacency list actually. If you know adjacency list, you can understand this, right? So nothing special. If you don't know adjacency list also, I told you, right? Okay, now what I will do is I'll iterate the map, um, and what I'll do is I'll store it dot second, means it dot second is the frequency, right? And it's a vector. Frequency of my I means it's a vector, right? So I will push back id dot first. First is the element. So this contains elements like that. And now let's find out the answer. Last iteration. So for int I equal to 0, more at 0, I less than equal to 100, plus plus. Yeah. So after this, what I will do is, so now what I will do is, okay. Now okay. Now what I um, okay. I sort the array first. Sort frequency of I dot begin of I, and reverse sort, right? We should do. They told us reversing, right? So I'll reverse it. So for that, greater int. Yeah. So now this will do the sorting. Now, okay. In this one, what I'll do is I'll iterate to the elements. Means to this frequency, I'll iterate it, and I should push back these many elements, right? Means I should push back actually. If we can say I is the frequency right here, so I should push back I elements nearly. So and answer dot push back. I'll push back those many times. So I'm writing a for loop. You can use while also here. IT. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I think it should work. Yeah. Okay. 1 minute, guys. Greater in frequency rotation greater in. Okay, sorry. Spelling mistake. Yeah, I think it should work fine. Yeah, that was submitted. So that's it for today, guys. Yeah, we'll meet next day tomorrow. Okay.